Hello, my name is Rob Nagy. I'm a certified arborist for Giroud Tree and Lawn. The following clip that you're about to see was done at a customer's property of mine, and it was just a simple request. They had a overgrown Japanese holly that was overhanging their lawn area. I crew over there for the day. It was fairly simple, didn't take a lot of time. We raised and cleared the shrub away from the lawn. It opened up the lawn area, and now the customer has a whole bunch more access to their lawn. Here I am with Doug, and what the customer wants is this Japanese holly into a more upright position. So we're using a handsaw. We're going to take that branch out there. What we will do is try to finish up the elevation. Now what Will is doing is trying to tuck in the ends a little bit more on this, putting the final touches on this guy, and then we'll step back and see what it looks like here. Still a nice natural look for the location and getting the desired effect that the homeowner wanted.